Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch so you have the floating control available immediately. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch and tap Assistive Touch. Turn the switch on and watch the small, movable button appear. This is your primary control. Once done, make sure to tap Customize top-level menu to add actions like Home, Siri, and Custom Gestures. Doing this now saves time later and lets you adapt the control to the exact taps you use most frequently. Next, configure how the Assistive Touch button behaves so it matches how you operate your device. Tap the floating button, choose Device or Custom to assign single tap, double tap, and long press actions. Pick shortcuts like Lock Screen or Screenshot. Create a custom gesture when you need a repeated swipe or multi-finger pinch. Record it, name it, and add it to the menu. Once configured, position the button where it won't obstruct content, and test each action to confirm it triggers the intended function. Finally, use your Assistive Touch workflow and make small adjustments as you go. Drag the button to the screen edge to reduce obstruction and enable auto-hide during media playback if you want fewer distractions. If an assigned gesture misfires, open Settings and edit or delete that custom gesture. You can also reset the top-level menu to defaults. If the button becomes unresponsive, restart your device or toggle Assistive Touch off and on again. That usually clears transient glitches and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.